Normal Kenyam Kanasan content Barashim Bajaling, Biakamalka nor online TV channel. En Rajaban Lingua Seme Rice Michalat, a quern taban dengai, Kakui Abie, Roy Michalada Janina, Biabidio de Biajogiski Biajo de Biajiling, Bejanongia, Kakorka and the Mene. A Menchalat Janen, Guam Micharitin, Kakuiko, Janis Sudan Telekum written. Jenny dinka ngok tere which ka bi gor jen de ka gwel kan siang kuma South Sudan shunate ngwanong shuka ga kaje ko wi chara jama chajalar biama nan che kulat bia kul ling gwad me jen che dia lung ko ngeje no gwad mi ne ka kor gwad dan che kor to ja Sudan tel mi shala mal na mo jen dana chalat ana wanatin bana je gwi kel ke bokon ling kel man chalat bia tamal
come to Abia. Let me not sleep before I talk issues of Abia. Your Excellency, we have a very big problem in Abia. The vacuum now is very clear, and South Sudanese must know this. The people of Ngok are South Sudanese. We cannot allow them to suffer the way they are suffering. Right now, there's no government in Khartoum. Mafia hakum fi Khartoum. And they are left that way. Sometimes, because some of us who are aware of the suffering of people of Abia, we encourage ambassadors from Juba to visit Abia, UN agencies to visit Abia. Many of them are scared. They think, no, look, Abia is not our docket, it's not Juba, it's not us in Juba. It's supposed to be handled by a European ambassador or American ambassador, Italian ambassador, French ambassador, Norwegian ambassador in Port Sudan. Can they have time of listening to, checking on the suffering of people of Abia? It's not priority to them. These people are suffering. They got no school. Should we need Matar is the Atoinda, it's a big airport. It's blocked by Khartoum not to be operated. Tairata you and Ma Bem Shifogu. Ma Tairata Tijar Bem Shifogu. Can we keep quiet about this? And I'm also recommending this forum that we should also have a specific proposal on Abia, recommendation on Abia. That should be followed by the people of South Sudan and the government of South Sudan. I thought we were going to talk about this because the Musuli of Taburman to pressure also to talk about the plight of the people. The suffering of the people of Abia is the suffering of the people of South Sudan. I don't agree with Comrade Maju, but he's right. So number one, that I want to come up with the recommendation of Abia, what they have talked about, provision of humanitarian assistance from Juba. And we should ask Nicholas Haysom to visit Abia from time to time. Nicholas Haysom with his team in Juba, they should be visiting Abia from time to time to see the suffering of the people there. This is number one. Humanitarian assistance to be increased from Juba to Abia, and UN agencies in Juba should also be visiting Abia from time to time because there's no government in Khartoum. There's a vacuum. Why do you allow these people to suffer that way?